All right, today I have Pedialyte Advance Care, 33% more electrolytes with pre-active prebiotics. And they say it's great for kids. And this particular flavor is berry frost. Now there's 6 packets of this in here. So I bought these because I want to save the planet. A little bit less packaging than the regular bottles of Pedialyte has to offer. So I got this and I'm going to be using this and saving the planet as well as hydrating myself. Now, with each one of these packets, it has 50 calories and a whole bunch of things in there to help you rehydrate. Now, there's 6 servings per container, as I said before, and 1 serving is a packet. Now, one of the things that's interesting about this is that it shows the comparison between Pedialyte Advance Care, which this is right here, and various other products. Now, one of the comparisons, it says, or a couple of the comparisons, it talks about Pedialyte is designed to prevent dehydration more effectively than than common beverages. And they talk about the different types of beverages. Right here, they say Pedialyte. Right here, it says Pedialyte Advance Care. Right here, Pedialyte and Pedialyte Advance Care. I'm not exactly sure. Oh, yeah. So this is Pedialyte Advance Care Plus right here. So you see that plus sign right there makes a difference. And it says it has more electrolytes than the one without the plus. It has more electrolytes than your common sports drink. See right there. It has more electrolytes than soda, more electrolytes than apple juice, and more electrolytes than water. All right, so Pedialyte Advanced Care Plus quickly replenishes fluids and is formulated to replace more of the electrolytes you may lose from dehydration due to vomiting and diarrhea, heat exhaustion, intense exercise, and travel. And right here it says 1 liter of reconstituted Pedialyte Advanced Care Plus powder, about 2 packages provides, and it has the sodium, potassium, and chloride right there. So it talks about like how each package provides you with certain elements in order to prevent dehydration or to rehydrate you. Okay, and it shows comparison. It says 60 MEQ sodium electrolytes per liter versus 45 MEQ in original Pedialyte. I'm not exactly sure what that means. I have to do the math to figure that all out, but I think this means that so per liter, 60 MEQ. Okay, so let me get this right. Okay, so 2 packets provides, which equals 60 MEQ. 2 packages will equal that versus 45 MEQ in original Pedialyte. I'm not exactly sure how much original Pedialyte this has to offer because I don't know if they have the packets for original Pedialyte. So I think they're comparing it to the bottles, which you have to dig in to do the math. I'll do that a little bit later. But on here it shows how to prepare this. Directions for preparation and use. It says mix 1 packet of Pedialyte powder with 16 fluid ounces of water only. Stir or shake to dissolve. Tastes best cold. All right, so it tastes best cold. Begin with small, frequent sips every 15 minutes, increasing the serving size as tolerated. Continue to use for as long as symptoms are present. To maintain proper hydration, 2 to 4 servings, 32 ounces to 64 ounces of Pedialyte may be needed per day. Consult your doctor if vomiting, fever, or diarrhea continues beyond 24 hours or if consumption needs are greater than 2 liters per day. All right, so we're going to go ahead and open this up. Enough of this reading about the product. Very cool product. I'm going to go ahead and open this up and look at one of the packets. All right, so pull this out, and here is the packet right here, and it shows where to tear. It says tear right here. I'm going to go ahead and tear this. And I'm going to go ahead and add 16 fluid ounces of water. So I don't have a measuring cup, so this is 20 fluid ounces for this one bottle of Smart Water. So I will just add, okay, I will just add 3/4 of this bottle in here. So that's about 16 ounces right there, 3/4. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the Pedialyte, and I'm going to go ahead and pour the Pedialyte inside of the glass right here. All right, so I poured that in there. So this is supposed to be 1 serving right here. And I'm going to go ahead and take this. I'm going to take my spoon. And normally I like my Pedialyte shaken, not stirred, but for the sake of the video, I'm just going to stir it, 007. Right, I'm going to go ahead and taste this to tell you how the berry frost tastes. Now they say that it is best if served cold, but I'm just using this at room temperature right now, just for video sake purposes, and we can talk about this. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and taste this. This is the berry frost flavor. All right, I'm going to go ahead and try this. It tastes like berry frost, whatever that means. It's slightly sweet. If you need it to be less sweet, perhaps adding a little bit more water, maybe adding the other 1/4 of water to it, will make it a little bit less sweet, less concentrated, and you may enjoy it. I'm gonna try it like this. Let me go ahead and stir this up. Now that I added a little bit more water to it, stir that up. And I'm gonna go ahead and try this now, all right? So this is the berry frost, okay? I like it a little bit less sweet, tastes good, less filling. So this is the Pedialyte Advance Care with 33% more electrolytes. It says it's great for kids and adults. Berry frost. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.